Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by locking the concept and confirming you will create original expression, not copy. Once done, collect your core assets, draft one master file and any self-made recordings. Make sure to document creation dates and retain editable sources. This establishes authorship later. Decide on a licensing strategy early, exclusive versus non-exclusive changes, distribution, and control. Start creating immediately in layers. Sketch, record, then refine. This order prevents accidental replication and preserves the work's originality at every step. Now you move into full production. Write your text, compose music, or shoot footage while prioritizing unique structure and perspective. As you work, intentionally transform any inspirations by altering arrangement, adding commentary, or recontextualizing. This is why your piece is original. Track version history with timestamps, notes on changes, and collaborator ID so you can prove development. Once a draft feels complete, produce a clean master file and export in multiple formats for preservation and future-proofing. Then finish by asserting your rights. Compile an evidence packet with masters, drafts, and dated logs, and register the work if your jurisdiction requires or offers benefits. Then prepare distribution. Embed clear metadata, attach your license, and optionally watermark previews to deter misuse. If someone claims infringement, make sure to gather your version history, original files, and any collaborator attestations. This is your first defense. If problems persist, consult a rights professional quickly so you can resolve disputes and protect your work.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.